So this is the right reference chart for my Winsor Newton professional watercolor sticks. You can see that they are square shape. They come with a wrapper that indicates their label, name, pigment name, series, because these are priced according to series, and you will notice that the wrapper itself is scored in different sections for easy peeling. So I've already gone ahead and made the swatches for all these 16 colors. And now I want to show you how quickly they dissolve with water. So I will start with a lighter color, which is a Winsor yellow, and a flat brush, and then just swish some water and see how quickly it blends in. Then we'll move on to the cadmium yellow hue. Wet half of the swatch and then pull it down. Wet it again. Same thing with the aureoline. Now let's see what the cadmium orange hue looks when you turn it into a wash. Next, cadmium red hue. I think the orange was a little bit easier. Next, Winsor red deep. Quinacridone magenta. Actually blends quite brightly. Indian red. Now we have yellow ochre, which I often use for skin tones. Nugamboji, which is nice and bright and really dissolves quickly. Quinacridone gold. Then we go to Prussian blue. And then French ultramarine. Ultramarine violet. These last two don't really release that much color. Then let's go to olive green. And last, permanent sap green. So you can see some of the colors blend more readily than the others. Now, in contrast, I'm going to grab this dry stick of French ultramarine and then use my wet brush to pick up some pigment directly out of the stick as if it were a pan. And look and see how I splatter that color on the test. That's the kind of wash we get. And then if I used to this stick that is wet and put it in here to make a mark, you see how intense it looks. So obviously this medium has different ways of applying it, wet or dry. And that's about it. So I think it has some potential. We'll keep trying it in class for the next few days. That's our color swatch.